Today, we will talk about how to buy Ethereum. Let's have a look at the details. Ethereum, also known simply as Ether, is a cryptocurrency that initially launched in 2015. Since that time, it has grown exponentially. The first method is using an online exchange. Compare several exchanges. You can find the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges with a basic online search. Register for an account with the exchange of your choice. The specific registration process differs across different exchanges. Complete all required identity checks before you can buy Ethereum. Make a deposit of fiat currency. If you're buying Ethereum with a direct transfer from your bank account, you typically need to transfer the money to your exchange account first. Trade your fiat currency for Ethereum. Cryptocurrency exchange interfaces typically are similar to the interfaces of online stock trading platforms. Search for Ethereum and place an order to buy a specific quantity. Transfer your Ethereum to a cryptocurrency. The second method is buying with cash. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet. If you want to buy Ethereum with cash, you must first get a wallet to store it. Find a peer-to-peer exchange online. Online peer-to-peer exchanges allow you to purchase Ethereum with cash and remain relatively anonymous. Check the seller's reputation before initiating a transaction. Even though buyers and sellers are relatively anonymous on peer-to-peer exchanges, users may be able to rate their experience after completing a transaction. With most peer-to-peer exchanges, you finalize the terms of the transaction online, then meet at a designated location to swap your cash for the seller's cryptocurrency. Use a cryptocurrency ATM for small purchases. With a cryptocurrency ATM, you can deposit small amounts of cash to purchase Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.